Hi there. So this is SEO analysis of the website. I know that we checked other areas, but one area that I couldn't check is those two tools because they couldn't crawl your website. So let me just check. Yeah, so they look much better. So far, so good. This score is within norm, so this is perfect. You've got defined meta title within the character limit, which is great. I like the emoji in the meta description, it really stands out, so that's fantastic. That's really good. There are some error in the heading structure, so it's a great practice to start with H1, which should be assigned to the page title. It carries a lot of value for Google, then obviously H2, then H3, H4, H5, and then H6. So the order also plays role. The content analysis could be a little bit stronger. So the most repeated words are their shared quality. Obviously, you want to rank for the websites for the words such as military, shared, and so on, and somehow the percentage is very low. Ideally, you would want to have more words. Obviously, the more words you have on the home page, this is really valuable to Google as well. Okay, so you've got title tag, meta description tag, as I mentioned, keyword consistency needs attention. Image alt tag, so make sure that each image has got defined alt tag as well. It's also important for SEO. You've got no broken links, your links are friendly as well, so that's important. And everything else looks great. So I hope you found this review useful. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.